Room, one coloring book, I know me I represent for Wrld TV. So here we want to see a movie name, She's Not a Child Anymore. And the reason why a movie name, so you know sometimes a man or a father or parents of a daughter or a son, they reach 21, 22, 23, and you feel like whatever decision they make, if they want to be a doctor, you want them to be a police. But you don't understand, so you have to give them some space so them can make decision off of them own. You see me? So just watch a movie when you want to talk out the movie name She's Not a Child Anymore. But first, I just want to big up some fans. Miss Rona, big up your daughter. She graduated I was the 30th last month. You see me? Out of the army. I know and she a further on her thing. So just big up yourself. Much love. And big up Chin Chin. You see me? From Westland Mount, you know, in a nigger lot, Westmoreland. Big up yourself. I'm a local fan. She see me in a town with my father and she show me some love. So just big up the fans them. More big up some fans in a St. Mary too. You get to me I say Gettystone, Oxford, Freel, Islington. You get to me I say Bannygate, Highgate, Portmore, Rockabessa, Freel. The whole of them place. So just big up some fans. One coloring book. You see me? Rum, Ongstone, Rum. Babe, I tell her say I have a wonderful time today at the date, you know?
I enjoy my day to be. I'm always thank you for go all out for me. You know them way there?
Why? I don't know, that was just wonderful. I don't know though, like you just go and like afraid to eat food on me. Why?
No, babe, why am I afraid to eat food on you know? I just look a bit, you know.
Shy, come see what I tell when I take up a food like yeah, look for me, looking at me and say, babe, eat the food.
I don't really that. Sometimes I'm just frustrated, you know.
But babe, question. Like when I come pick you up for you go up on a date, like you look so sad. What really happened? I'm not just your boyfriend, you know. I'm a friend for you also. Hold on, beg you a minute, baby. Hello, mommy. Yeah, I'm really sorry. I didn't remember to call you guys and tell you that I'm in nigger with my girlfriend, Shan. Give Dad the phone so I can talk to him, please. Yeah, Daddy, I'm really sorry. I didn't remember to tell you guys that I'm in nigger on a date with Shan. Yes, I will be there tonight, Daddy. Yeah, man, you want to say hi? Hold on, Daddy. My dad want to say hi.
Hello, good evening. Nice to meet you too. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, we're cool. Alright then. Yeah, see you soon. Alright, nice talking to you too. Alright. Until later.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so babes, as I say now, talk to me. As I say, I'm not just your boyfriend, you know. I'm somebody where you can talk to, where you can share your pain, where you can vent to.
It's not saying me I try to hold certain things for you know, but mommy kind of pressure me certain way, you know.
What do you mean pressure you?
She just want me lock in. She don't want me go outside like, you know. She don't want me to establish out in her world. She just want me lock in and study. She have an issue with me and you.
So like, she don't feel comfortable with me and you dating?
Not saying that. She just, you know, she has to she don't know you from nowhere and them look thing, babe.
Alright, Sean, I feel like me if you have this a conversation outside. Hold on, baby, I'm going to take you outside. Hold on. Oh yeah, my queen, and I don't like when you look so sad. I like when you're happy. Where you say now, babe? Where you try to tell me say now?
Mommy, Yes.
Your mother not approve me and you none at all.
She don't.
Sean, you see the first time when I talk to your mother 2 weeks ago, when me meet her, me no want she feel like so me just a play nice to her. Or me a play nice and then me a go hurt you after. Sean, you know this. I'm a wonderful person.
She say yeah, you and your people them rich and have money and you only go dump me and use me.
Yeah, so hold on now. From those 2 years ago when we were going to college, before I even mention a relationship to you, have I ever been hyped to you or when we were moving forward to a relationship? Me never yet I push money towards you or no hypeness.
No worries, we're gonna deal with that. No worries. Just
you know what me feel like your mother problem though, babe? Listen me I say. You know me feel like your mother problem. I just feel like she don't know me. You know, so maybe she just get used to me, so she don't know me from Adams. You know, so maybe she just I say that no. But anytime she get comfortable more around me, you know, things are gonna change. So we just not stress that now, babe. But you know why main thing? A time I go come, you know, where you have to choose, you know. And me mean choose, me no mean like you go choose your mother over me or choose me over your mother. But your mother can't always make all her decision for you. You have to make a decision for you and what's comfortable for you. Your mother can't always choose for you, you know. But as I say, I just watch and see everything. I just feel like she don't know me, so she just a judge that way now until she know me the right way. You know, she will be more comfortable with me and want to see me together.
Me not really cut her no you know, but you know, me love my mother, me respect my mother, me don't want to please her. Not saying that me no love her, no, you know, but probably me just want to listen to her. And me say you same way, you know, me love you and I appreciate you, me like you and everything, be me don't do anything for you. It's just that me no want confused spot now when me no know who to please. I me don't want to please you, I me don't want to please she, but mommy just always choose the wrong time for coming in my life with certain things.
Sean, me no want you please me, nor please your mother. Please yourself. See if you please yourself and your mother, me okay with that. If you please yourself and me okay with that. But please yourself. You have to put yourself first.
Me nah promise you who me I go please but you, me say. I'm
So
not
me have to say,
disappoint you.
you see the other day, when me left from down here, after me go away for your birthday, the car run off with me over the road, you know. Me nearly meet in a one terrible accident, you know.
Jesus Christ.
And when me and my mother talk, she say, why me not just build a house down here, say, me really love you like that. Or me build a house up, so but me would preferably bring it down here. Because you see how you talk now, me really and truly don't want to take you from your mother. But, Sean, later. Later.
Baby, why you so aggressive?
Me call her later.
Thank you, Father God, for waking me up this morning. Thank you for another chance of life, Almighty God. You are my refuge and my fortress. In thee, O Lord, do I put my trust. Let me never be put to confusion. So, girl, I come like a stress she want to stress me out. Look from when he saying gone out. And from how much a clock he can't reach back here yet. And why him busy I do so? He no call me. He no send no message, he no send nothing, he no do nothing. Me no understand. What kind of style them there? No type of style, Not even one phone call or one message, but they worry myself over it.
Mommy, good evening.
What good about the evening, Sean?
Mommy, me have a nice time. Nice time.
Wait. Sean.
Yeah, mommy.
You know, say you're gone from when I left me, I'm so worried. You not even call or text me to tell
so,
me
mommy,
if you're alright.
Me I go out with Poppy Dan.
You tell me say you go out with the youth, but me don't know how long you gone. Me don't know if you're alright.
Me never have no internet connection and me never have no credit. But mommy, me reach home. Yeah, me have one good time.
Good. Me happy for you.
Yeah, mommy say you're happy for me. Your face no look like you're happy for me, mommy.
Me say me happy for you. You say you go out and you have a nice time. You have a nice time. Me never have no nice time when you left me and they worry about you. Whole day till you're gone. And you not call or text me.
Mommy, me no just explain to you and tell you say me never have no internet.
You did too busy for me.
Oh, mommy, I don't like that.
I don't like that.
Mommy, me tell you say me safe with Poppy Dan already.
This Poppy Dan. We don't even know nothing about him.
Mommy, me tell her say Puppy Dan have his father business place around. One at St. Catherine, one at Hanover, one at Kingston and one at Wochi.
You having business around. Me realize say man in family they have money.
Yeah,
but you know what? Me no feel say right man for you.
Mommy, want me to say that me and the boy got 2 years in a college and he never disrespect me or let me down in a no farm away. He helped me study, he nice, he never hurt me. So why you going to say that about the boy?
Because normally people who are rich and have money don't want nobody.
Mommy,
I use people.
You know say me at 20, mommy, you need to stop have me up and there. You frack like me at 10.
And when you are 50, to me, you are 10.
No, mommy, you can't do that. Me have my life to live, mommy.
Yes, me know. I know.
Mommy, that unfair, you know. Mommy, me tell you, say me tired for up and down, up and down, up and down. Every relationship me going is a problem to you. You tell me say me feel left about 3 relationships already and me left them. Me not get to know if the person good, bad, sour, sweet, salty because you say them are not a person for me. Because you not give me chance, mommy. Mommy, and if you understand, say me not pick me no more, you know. Me your daughter, me respect your mommy, but me no pick no more. Me alright with Puppy Dan mommy.
Oh, so you're well enough to
see then now, for my birthday, him live all the way to Kingston and him can me go in a Rio. We in a orchard here, so I make me spend my birthday good. And you have a problem with the boy, mommy.
You know what happened to you? You think you're big enough to counsel me?
Mommy.
Because I don't experience life in me and you already.
Mommy, me not disrespect you know. But you need to get it, you need to put yourself in my shoes. Mommy, first thing, the boy live all the way at town and him come down here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times for a week just to see me. Just to make sure say me alright. Mommy, you have me confused. You tell me say, me feel left them the boy they look for somebody in a higher class. Now me look for somebody in a higher class, I send too high because in people have money. Then now you go say, me tell you say more be doctor, you go say me fi train for police. Now me a train for police, you tell me fi do other things, mommy, and me confused.
Yeah, we confused, it's true. But at the end of the day, me want the best for you.
But mommy not right for you confuse me brain. Me when mad, you want have one mad pitney in you?
You're not mad, nothing not do you. You know what? They're rich people, they pitney with have money. You see, they spoil. And they only use
Mommy,
people girl pitney and they have nothing to do with them
mommy,
after that.
no disrespect, but if you used to get used, that no mean say me I go get used.
Okay. Since I saw your putty, you see?
Mommy, remember say your days and my days are 2 different days, you know. Allow me to live my life. You know say grandma would do this if in their life.
You're right. Your granny wouldn't do nothing at all. Your granny not do, eh? He would even say nothing to your granny that lay wait the boy down a road, you see? And tell him sitting bad and turn him back on the road, making galang back where I come from.
Mommy, you know me not like with you. I tell you the truth as a mother to a daughter. Mommy, you're full of too much problem. Alright. Look how coloring book which is my stepfather that I understand more than even you, my mother.
You don't say. Well, I'm me and your mother and I feel me roof you live. So what me say goes. Anything me say in your so, yeah, that goes.
Mommy, a normal pray, a normal
yes.
pray.
You happy normal. Normal day like yesterday.
Everybody have problem with mommy. Me can't just look for man say, you know, my body levels are going up and you see him when I go say this and say that, you know.
Your body levels are going up.
Then I must move if you tell me if you change man every minute. Where you expect?
You drive
and then now when people see it there, you see it and you say me if you change man.
You drive bus but your body levels are, which body levels? Nonsense. Cut out the foolishness. Because anytime they rich people, they always spoil. They always spoil. Them parents spoil them with money for them born with gold spoon in their mouth. And they don't want nothing out of life. They want to use people pitney and dash them away. And that me I try to tell you. But because you think you're bigger than me, you're smarter than me, you want to counsel me. Okay, good.
You know, so I'm tired of your Kiara. I'm tired of your Kiara, you know. I work on a Kiara too much time. Pay problem is a Kiara give me. Pay problem. Me no like work on all Kiara more one time, you know. From yes, hello. Yeah man. Yes, I'm the mechanic. Virgin, come for your car, please me I beg you. Your Kiara give me too much hurry up and come for your car. It give me too much problem. Me work on it too much time. Take you out of my shop. And make sure you can't take out all the space you move to. Me no want it in my yard. Take you out. I don't care no money come give me. Keep your money. Sean. Want you? Why you cry? Come out my son.
Me tired of mommy. Me tired of mommy. Me tired of him.
Yeah, your mother again.
Yeah, because he have a problem with Puppy Dan. After he tell me say.
Hold on. Just remember I say. Puppy Dan are the same youth. We bring you up a real for your birthday 2 times.
Yeah, and me and him go spend 2 years in a college.
In a college where you and him there, black and forth in a college. The same you to come down here 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Frank Kingston, does he see you? Boy, Sean, he look like a youth. That one good man, you know. But me not do that, you know. But anyhow, me reason with your mother what you know. And I tell him, say, oh, Sean is not my child, but Sean is my child, because I grow you. You're 20, you're 20, not true? You're 20, your mother learn to give you a little space. Make you open your door them yourself.
You say you want me be police?
Well, you mean not tell me about it, you know?
Me say me want be doctor, me not train for police. No, me not train for police.
Hold on, move too fast. You say you want police and your mother say you want doctor. And change it again.
In change, you say me fi do
Jesus
something
Christ.
else. No, we must say, me fi left puppy down and try to somebody else because puppy down people are rich and him a go this me.
So hold on there. But me never know say me look stepdaughter. Well, me daughter call me grow you. But your mother treat her like some of them girl over bridge. Why you feel change man fi please him?
Exactly.
Puppy Dan is a good youth.
For run up my mileage.
If Puppy Dan want break your heart, make him break your heart and you cry. And he did it for you and we did it for you.
Let me drop and chip up my
Make your experience thing for yourself. You and you to come from what 2 years, not from college una talk. Eh? Jesus Christ. So, hold on, where your mother there now? You around there? Sean, me know say you kind of stress out and everything, you know. And I went from last year, now your mother cannot run your life. Every time I talk to him about it, you know, he tell me say me I pick up side. Eh? Me love your mother, you know. Me love your mother, but the truth, yeah, more you do. You have no work for do. You have school work for do. Just go over and just tell your mother evil. When me come, I can talk to him again. You understand? Yeah, man. Now watch that. So you need to go up and one look date and Puppy Dan.
Yeah, me come back
He come back already? Alright. Just go call him and hear him talk. You love him, not true?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you do? Meanwhile, you go over. Just call him and hear him talk and calm down your mind. Here? Alright, look at my child. Alright. Jesus Christ. But Jesus Christ. Puppy Dan teeth sharp, man, because Puppy Dan bite in my neck. Eh? You know, so I'm tired to talk to my wife and tell him so you can't run your daughter life for you. For your life where you used to run back down in the days where you have to walk from your cigar town to go talk to a man. Them days are done. The man them a drive come and the little girl them gate. Them have Vox, them have markets, make the little girl buck in tow. What we can't do there for him. You can't run the little girl life him at 20. Make the little girl go drop it like he hot. Anything you want to make him do it. This a boy, I tell him to come for him car, you know. And the 5th time I fix up this car and he car back come and me yard, you know. Either the boy now care the car, he now service the car. You know, so boy, him and my woman are the same thing, you know. Him and my woman are the same thing, you know. And now I work upon him not to live him further. Me done with this car, yeah. Me I go talk to my wife now.
Life is what you make it.
Mommy, good evening.
Evelyn Sean. What happened to you?
Nothing happened to me, Mom.
Nothing yet. Me talk to you today and vex and left out here about a normal day. Regular day, as long as you talk to me now. But me born in a 2 different time and age, but you use slang. You still understand what slang means?
Mommy, me always wrong for you, me never right. Me
Okay.
done with that, it's alright.
Alright. Me always right. Me glad you know so me always right.
Mommy, me just come in first made and study.
Okay. Me glad you know so me always right. But Sean, listen to me now and listen to me keenly. Me only want you to understand, you see? So me want your best interest at heart. You understand? And me want the best for you. And me know right from wrong, you know. Me no want nobody use you and abuse you, Sean. And just that me want you get to understand. No matter how you hear me miserable and cuss and go on, me just want you to know say me love you and me care about you and me no want you get yourself in a certain kind of, you understand? You get yourself in a certain things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Big fat girl right in front me, aye. Wifey,
My husband,
what happened now?
what kind of song that
What
me
for
hear
dinner?
sing?
Cook food. Where you
Big fat swimmers with rice.
Evelyn Chan.
Good evening,
What happened? You alright? My daughter. So what my wifey?
Nothing happen.
Big up on yourself.
Nothing happen yet.
Wifey, me say the car give me pay a problem. You look dirty boy will live on a white hall, the big fat one.
Yeah.
You know someone 20 times I walk on in car? You know that? And the car give me pay a problem. Me call him and tell him say me no want it in my garage. Come take out it. Me I give him half my money. In my crosses and in car crosses. But anyhow, my wife, I want to talk to you please. Sean, me know you study but me rest one chair right there, Sophia. Just go sit down. I want to talk to mommy please. You hear me, daughter? Yes.
So long you come out the door, that's your rest chair.
Jar down your clothes, my child. Jar down your clothes. Yes. Yes, my daughter.
Sit down.
So why if you want now? Well, I need to talk to you now. But me know you go say me. Jesus Christ. Yes, Father God. Me carry tool come over here. Me don't know where me carry tool come over here for. You only told me want over here one tool. But anyway, when me want to talk to you about, you know, cause every time I talk to you, you say me miserable. And you say me a take side.
Oh boy.
Yeah. You see, me need done talk it. And you give me a red card. Babes, this is what I say now, my wife. We can't talk about the hat. It's a principle. What I'm saying right now, you are big people and me are big people. Shana want local big people. So me and you are big people.
Good.
You know, say, when me young, me buck me to all the time and the only thing my father say. Me tell you. So when you walk every step high, the point where me I say, me make mistake off of my own and he did it for me as a father. And when me I go to school and me I talk to the local girl, me look better ears, them come never know say them a better ears because we young. But when me go tell my mother and pick the side, the right side. So when me I say no, you have a nice daughter, you know. You know how long me I grow her, me and your response see him. Although it's not me blood daughter, but me not tell people that. So when me I say now, you can't take up Sean and not treat him like him at 16. Sean at 20, you know, my wife.
You did know say, me afraid fi nobody hurt Sean. You did know say that me fear the most in life because me feel say me experience enough in me and Sean already.
You know, so you one daughter.
Oh, what?
I'm going to tell you what the problem in a you and Sean relationship. You know the problem is, hold on for me hand. You know what Lego Sean. You have to Lego Sean, make Sean go make him mistake. Make him go back in toe. Make one boy diss him and style him. And you can't do that when you can't come cry on your shoulder. And that is a mother. You can't choose him. You can't tell him who to talk to and who he not talk to. Me know say you know say the youth and them come over 2 years from them go to college till now. You know say that. You know say me say that boy come like him a one fool fish and you know. That a boy they come young over 20 times in a 1 week just to shishan. You know when Cashan go over there? Rio 2 times. I think I can no man go Rio. And you may have to go Rio come here the long. So the boy love Shan till him fool all when people are happy. But me know so just love Shan and I want him get hurt.
You know what happened? Me overprotective over my pitney. Me supposed to me have the right to do it.
And that's
and
why
me are the parent.
I just talk the truth.
And me are the parent.
But you not do the truth.
And when she a 50-year-old, me go still feel say she a 10.
Hold on.
I mean one seed we are talk about, you know.
But I want to say something to you. Yes, no, say the last time you talk about Chan, when you cry and you hurt him and tell him say you left your boy, and you left your boy because he love you. You tell him say if you left police work and go to doctor and you left you and do it. No, you want to tell him, you know, say last time I talk to you about Chan, you turn your back give me. So me not really want to talk, you know.
Me not turn my back get this
okay,
time.
alright.
Me I sit down and listen.
Alright.
Because I don't always know you, you know always right. Me I listen.
So me I say, you just have to give him like a space, my wife. Please, me I beg you. She's a big woman, you know.
Little space. Little space. Yeah, boss, if you give him little space, I make give him an inch and go take a yard.
No, but if you want to take him a big woman, the only thing will make him a big woman because he under your roof. No child, no perfect, but me feel like me could have said him perfect. If you tell Chance if you got beard, he ask how much time. If you tell him to sweep up yard, he say how much time. If you tell him to go shopping and kiss him teeth, the only problem with you and Shanna because you don't want him. Let him go. You grip him.
Now, I don't feel like I'm supposed to let him go. I mean, even if I let him go, I'm not ready yet.
No, let him go. Just like how you grip Shanna, say if you grip me too.
Shut up, man. You should talk about that. Let's talk about that. Left that alone,
alright,
man.
Wife, alright.
But, honestly speaking, I'm just afraid. If you turn up your store, sit down your son now, honestly, and tell you, say, me ready for give Shan. Let go Shan that way the whole year make it look. Let him go cause me I grip him too much. Me want you to understand, say, me afraid for no boy hurt me youth, you know.
Well, my wife, I don't know where you're in the kitchen, you know. But, one thing me can tell you. If you don't let him go today, maybe a day will come when I go let you go. And when me talk, let you go, me no mean walk out of your life. But maybe I go love that boy, and when a day will come when I go run to that boy.
Well,
And a day will come when I go realize you have to go Shan, you know.
if push come to shove, well, when we reach that line, then we cross it. It's food in
Alright.
the kitchen. They cook swimmers with rice.
You cook, I cook food, you cook?
Swimmers with rice.
Alright. That the dirty mechanic boy you call me, you know. I ain't carrying want, you know.
Okay.
You hold
Alright. Answer your phone and go and go eat your food. Me I go check my sister.
Alright, babe. Yes, you come with the record to take your whole car out of my yard.
Sis. Alia.
What on?
What? Can't come?
You mean I can't come and just over here me the day straighten up picture.
I may say you look busy, you look active in the morning here.
What's up?
Morning, what?
What?
Me there. So I come check a little my reason a little bit.
But I know what on.
And I really nothing go on, you know, me just so I call in Kelly, find out if you're alright, and on top of that, I want to talk to you about Shan. I mean, know say you and Shan close.
Lord Jesus, so Shan don't know. Well, Andy, before you go no further, you know, say me see Shan and his boyfriend. Lord Jesus, Chelsea, boy, just he love Shan, you know. Boy, change Shan good, you know. They
And
look
that me come
good
out.
together too, you know. Although boy, people they have money, him have money, you know, go on like him more than Shan, and me love that about him. Why, if me the young like a Shan, me know me would have snatch him because I want good youth.
And that me come out.
What boy combo?
Shan and the boyfriend.
They live loving man, Shan, loving man, the boy love Shan. Why that boy come like I want little fool for Shan? He love Shan, man.
You know what me believe? Me believe say that boy, he come from one family with money. He feel say he can use me pitney.
How him a use Shan and anything Shan want Shan get? A matter of fact, you meet him yet?
You meet him yet? And one time me ever meet him. One. And right now me feel like I pretend. Him a pretend to be somebody nice.
The boy not pretend, Chelsea. The boy nice overall. You don't know when somebody good for your daughter?
No. How you know say nice overall? How
Because
you
me
know?
see we how he cheat your daughter. Ever this some man when I want your daughter by then get and gone. The man love Shan.
Okay.
Love pitting them man, they young in them prime.
The young guy in them prime. But at the same time when he get hurt, I won't go run too.
Jesus.
Me have to go there, I have to turn up on my foot 10 times more than me turn up now for him. One time the boy hurt him.
So who you want to get hurt? You?
No.
Shan
But
need
if
to
she-
know what rough what life feel like. If he don't make mistake, he not gonna learn.
And if him a hurt me, I hurt too.
Love pitney man, everybody pitney talk to a problem to you.
Oh.
I your daughter.
Okay. Yeah, after my daughter, you're right.
Yes.
I want auntie, but you sound like you pick up fish and you know why you not want me
Chelsea,
to
I not pick up fish on, but if it was me and my daughter 20-year-old, me can try and rule me daughter and control me daughter because what? Up she a go and down she a go.
Me not tell you say me not elevate me youth. I am doing that. But as a parent, a loving parent, a genuine caring parent, me we overprotective, but for me one seed, me have the right to talk to you know.
This is overprotective, you come
Okay.
like a jealousy, yeah, man.
Well,
If I'm not jealousy, you're obsessed or
you
something.
should even bother put that in night, because that never in night.
So why you don't want Shan talk to you, boy?
Because my spirit not take him.
No,
I
not do
trust
it,
him.
boy, Chelsea. No, not do it. You know me notice with you, everybody else could have to talk to your spirit, not take them. Your spirit not take none of them. And you see next thing with you now, you try to control that. If your daughter want to be police, you have to tell him to be doctor, and a doctor have to be. If you want to be liar, you tell him to... So if I tell you, so if I want your daughter to have teeth, you go make him teeth.
You done?
No, me not done, because you have to tap with Chelsea.
You done?
Tap try control that, man.
Me not try control my daughter, but I feel me and no fear your daughter.
It no matter, I'm my niece.
I feel my daughter and no fear. Are your favorite niece, but I'm me and mother.
Of course, I'm my favorite niece. You look a girl bright, and she no give no problem throughout school, none at all. You know, so me never go say this deal, but around 2 years ago, no. That little girl come to me and talk to me and say she want to analyze herself 2 times. Because I found 2 years ago, yeah, pessy little girl, I tell him what to do and what not to do.
Oh, so I'm not supposed to look out for your best interest. He only tell her that because he vexed because me I talk to him. And me tell him the right and he don't want to listen.
Listen to me. Yes, when pitney stress, there's no telling what they go do. So you don't know if your daughter mean it or if she no mean it. And mood want he mean it. Cause me love her. She bright and she don't give no problem, so you shouldn't have no problem with her.
Nonsense. You know what happened to? Me think my time expire, so one already I
Of
move
course
me I
it
move.
expire. I
I
don't
don't know
like
what kind
saying
of nonsense you can tell me say you're a big auntie.
but yeah, make you look like say you used to run up and down in the school and make you feel run this and go this and go this. So.
Why you don't know older than you? And me and parents so me know it right.
Girl, if you tap him man.
When you ready you
Top try
contact me.
control the pitney.
I feel me pitney you tell me what to do.
Yeah, try control the pitney for.
Auntie,
See me as up on the veranda, my niece.
mom,
Well, go on. No, me glad to see you come here. Worry about you, you know. So, what go on? You good? All life. Sean,
Yeah,
let me
auntie.
talk to.
good man.
What am to you?
Auntie, you know, so just that's only a problem me have with mommy over yard. Auntie, mommy have a big problem with puppy dan, you know. Me know this sound a wait and it sound like me crazy or me I go mad. But sometimes me no want die, you know.
My niece, no bother with that. No matter with that, man. Your mother just left over here, you know. Just not too old left over here. Me have to tell him to lower you alone.
You know, so puppy dan a one nice person, auntie.
You don't have to tell me, see it. Me see puppy dan a one good youth. And me don't know where your mother child Sheila from. You know, I let you go at the time problem. You're 20-year-old and you make you look like you're 6.
Mommy, I go like me, I want 10-year-old.
I tell you, put you a 6-year-old, but put you. Because same thing used to go when you're a pitney. If you take up one stone, you say, Lord Jesus Christ, bro, what's it? I say you used to go and he still not change.
Auntie, this not fair to me. All it do is stress me out.
Listen, my daughter, my niece, yeah. Sometimes I feel like I'm my daughter too, you know. What more want you to do? Now watch your mother. You see, puppy dan I want good youth. I want you to hold on from puppy dan because them opportunity are once in a lifetime. You're going to left puppy dan, as they say, jump out of fire, frying pan and jump in a fire. You're going to left puppy dan and go take up water than puppy dan.
But other thing want me to do, say puppy dan people ain't have too much money.
No follow your mother, puppy dan take care of you. And me can see say puppy dan love you. You see, sometime in life, you have to make your own choices. Even though your mother being like you or stand with it, but you have to make your own choice. You have to stand up on your
Auntie,
feet.
to speed when mommy I go, me no know when mommy want me.
Your mother not gonna get a picture now. But trust me, see, look a little later down one time you realize say if she no go with what you want, she a gonna lose you. Trust me, she a gonna come around. She so get a picture. So yeah, if you really love puppy dan, don't let go puppy dan. Go after puppy dan. Hold on for puppy dan. Don't make sick of your mother. You go left puppy dan and then do depressed and then you talk say you want left it hurt and me no want hear them something for you again.
Yes, auntie. Auntie, me I tell you, you know, for show you how mommy no want have a good relationship with me. You know, say something big about for happening in my life and she no know. Auntie, you know, say one of them days when puppy dan came, I go away for my birthday, I go up and him tired and run off a road and nearly crash. So now him tell him mother and him mother say, if he love me so bad, why you not buy one house and make me and him live together then?
Buy house down here?
Mm-hmm.
You see a good deal puppy dan me, you know.
So auntie when me I say if puppy dan people ain't can understand per my in a female, why mommy can't understand?
I don't know, you know. I don't know. I swear. I try to find out what your mother, but boy, I'm a sister. I don't know. Tell you the truth, I don't know.
And then no, he left me now one spot make certain things where puppy dan ask him can't even tell him. Cause boy want meet her, you know.
Meet him again.
The biggest thing about it too, at this a big red flag in a relationship, me I feel lie to puppy dan. One of them there boys sees stress from me and he must say, Shan, one tell me I feel say, me good man be. And he must say, no man, you no good. Me I feel say, mommy alright, which you know say my mother in a big conception brother. I don't know what me I go do for pleasure sister, but auntie anyways, me I come go over here.
Alright, my niece, but hold on, my niece. You see, you look a foolish thought when me hear the pan about left it hurt and more hear about that. I don't want to bother with none of that. I don't want to hear with that again, here. I wait till me say about you feel like you say, listen to me. I don't want to hear that come out of your mouth ever again. Understand? Come give me a hug and take care of himself and no pay your mother no mind.
Yeah, I think we're going to come back and look for you next day.
Yeah, man. I'll cook some food you know.
Them people are not sister work me and work them for no call. Yes, hello. Mechanic coloring book there here. What's the problem? Yes? Oh, you know, say from what I want to call you. You are one of the problem in my garage. Because what I call you and tell you to come for all car. You know, say me are the worst mechanic. Me are the worst mechanic and me are the best mechanic and the worst one. I pay whole car and give me for work pan, you know. Yes. So me not tell you what your car want. Hold on there. But you know, say, my wife no come in no food, you come like you now go come in now. Alright, you hear me now? Let me tell you what your car want. Me remember, yes. Yes, more you bring 6 pounds of flour. No, 12 pounds of flour. Yes. 1 bottle of syrup and some pepper. Me I tell you, listen no man, me I tell you what your car want. Come in tell you what you want, I don't remember. Yes. And carry 1 bag of chicken too. Just buy up all of them there. And listen me, when you reach at the roundabout out at the crossroad, carry 1 coal come. A bag of coal? Yes.
How's it?
Alright, good. Me no know no so full and no rich.
And what happened to you now? Me care some stuff for you.
Oh God. I know say me just tell a man saying if he carry how much pound of flour and right. Jesus Christ. Hey. Me say babes,
wait, kill me.
me can't believe say the people them so you know say me are one of the goodest mechanic in the community. But yet still me are the worst. I pay all care the people and can come give me for work pan in my garage. Then tell me the truth now. Eh? Babes you can no cup.
Babes, me care
What the cup
for
there?
you. Me
Boy.
cup there and juice and me care food.
Boy,
me care
babes.
chaser for your rum.
Me I tell you. I what there me I tell them say you tie me, you know. You tie me, me no want your leg or this attire.
You sure say you don't want me leg or this attire?
You tie me a good tie.
Oh, we don't want me leg or grab neither.
I mean your birthday next month is 27. So you want me a plan to do now for your birthday. Then you not tell your woman where you give him birthday. But you know me a one burner. Me a carry on a tax office. And on a depot. Me have a license, insurance, fit. Me one burner life me and you.
That sound like a plan, me like it.
Only thing I'm miserable. That's the only thing.
Sure. Look about it.
You know want to make your daughter go out there go enjoy himself.
Lord God, you have to come about that now. You have to come about that. But anyway, you
Where
know
you
say the
know?
boy
Mm-hmm.
when we daughter they talk to.
Which boy?
The same youth where Shana talk
Puppy
to.
Dan?
Yes.
Puppy Dan is not a boy. Puppy Dan a big man. Puppy Dan is a boy, you know.
Alright, a big thing. Me want to do a little catching up with him. Me feel like say me have a wreck against him because I don't really get to know him personally.
So you never meet him?
Know him. Me meet him one time, me meet him and I know him.
Alright, you want me to know my wife? Me not talk to my wife now. Me I talk to a person. No disrespect, you know say my wife. No, I know my wife me I talk to. You know say you're a hypocrite. I know my wife me I talk to because I love my wife. You're a hypocrite. You meet the youth and you come and tell me say the youth isn't that a, it's such a nice little boy. And you love Shan. And then the next day, you wake up, me don't know what Satan dream and tell you say. And then you go say the boy is not a nice boy.
You know say I know my husband me I talk to. I'm a rum. Sometimes you see people and you don't know them. So you can't accept everybody what you see because you just see them for the first time. It take time to know people. Take time. Yeah, it take time to know people. You hear? Yes, it take time. Some people pretend. So you have to take time to know them. See, I don't know you. I two different something.
Alright, let me talk to my wife now. Babes, just give me a try. Please, me I beg you. I'm your daughter. I'm with daughter. Just give me a try, man.
But wait, what make you talk to me with sad face? Me no problem if you look bouty.
No, me just say, just give me a try, man.
You can't look bouty.
Just look into yourself and give me a try, man.
But Ozzy, you can't upset with me because me turn up on my foot.
No, me not upset with you.
Me must say, boy, pitney use people, girl, pitney all the while and fling them away, no?
You know, so from what you say, Sean stress out. And anytime I see
Me
Pitney
see
stress
it
out, so I don't know what they mean do, you know.
I know.
Although Sean is not my real daughter, but I'm my daughter.
I will
If not,
grow
I'm
my
to Sean, you know.
daughter.
Me don't know what I want to do, you know. Tell me the truth now.
Oh, God,
Why do you see the rain fall and Sean out that take up my clothes? Eh? All me I tell him to come out of the rain. Me I say Pitney, I come out of the rain, I catch full. He say I take up his father clothes.
boy.
You know me feel. You know me I blush. No, tell me the truth now.
You don't feel good, you have to feel good.
Just give him a try.
All right.
But listen.
May I take your advice?
Thank you and thank you for the
May I
phone.
take your foolish
Yes.
advice?
And one more thing. Wish. Send him down a shop, man. Me I come early. Because them a run me and me have to look about it.
You know, I'm ball about it kind of grip where you...
Send him down a shop. Write one long list, make him go buy goods.
My husband, you know, so you are a hypocrite? You are a hypocrite. Yes, why you tell me for
Good
do?
hypocrite.
Me nah do that, you know.
We are
Me nah do that. Maybe find something else do.
All right.
Maybe look about it.
No watch that.
We look about it. Me go up.
All right, look more.
Right, don't work and come. Nobody stay.
All right.
Nobody stand long. You feel me?
No, me not stand long. Me not stand long.
I work for me. I want quiz for you.
All right.
You up there wait for it, right?
So here we now. This a look dirty boy, you know. What do you me measure up the car get the boy, you know? Me measure up the boy, the car and get it, and me have to do it all over again. All right. So that no level. So you want swinging arm, that's so. All right. What you so now?
No bike swinging.
This are 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet. Sealer. And over here so now are 6 feet, 8 feet. So that means say he have to go buy 4 swinging arm when me can level up the car. And then in can taking all car out of my yard. Alright, good. You know say, like when I'm in the mood, you know. But I'm going over to my wife, you know, when you can drop like it hot, you know. Squeeze him and him squeeze me. Lord God.
Sean.
No, mommy.
Oh yeah, study.
Mommy, how we are doing drum cup?
You know some... You're a bit eyeball for Sean.
Mommy, how we are doing that?
I feel stressed and I take one drink. And I say I come check you. I want to talk to you about something, Sean.
Roma, any solution to anything?
I don't know to me. Because from what you say you're stressed and you're not happy. And I go decide to take one drink and I want to talk to you about something.
Alright, mommy, we want to talk to me about... Well, mommy, hold on there, because the rum cup there annoying me.
Let me put it down. Because I don't want nothing bother you, nothing at all. Today, I just want to talk to you about something. I be fair and square. And like when I go down the road and I go have a drink and I can something go give your father to eat. And I give him something to drink too. Because we are talking about things. And as adults, we can do that, right? So, I know say you go to college and you take your things serious. And honestly, I go down the workshop and I go check your father. Let him down there reason. And I take foolish advice. I think I want to get to meet your people one more time. Because I go around there so, go talk to your auntie. And your auntie has said I need to give you some space. I need to give you a break for your big woman now. And you have a right to choose and decide what you want to do with yourself, right? So, we come to one conclusion and one decision. I really feel like I need to get more time to get to know him. Because Sean, I know that I love you and I'm overprotective. But yeah, I'm a youth. I have to love you and overprotective over you. You understand? I don't want nothing to come between your education. Not me, not no boyfriend, your education and your education.
Mommy, which boy you talk about? Mommy, Puppy than no boy, Puppy than a 22.
Alright. The big man in your life. I really want to get to know him. Like, I want to get to know him personally and know about him. Because Sean, I don't really feel like say, am I a right man for you?
You can't say you feel like say him and the right man for me. You're not God.
I never said that.
But you act like you're God, mommy. Take your time to know people and don't judge.
I know. That's why I tell us I want to get to know him again so I can sit down and talk to him. Get to know him in personality.
Hello?
Yep, it's me outside, you know. Remember you say you want your mother talk.
Alright, B. Just want to come around at the back with her on at the back and talk at the right time I call you.
Alright, baby, I'm ready to hear something.
Alright. Him coming, so you can...
Alright, so me get to talk to him. With you, yes, so even better.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Good. And you can't blame me for one of your people, Sean.
Yeah, mommy.
I tell us I just want to have a decent conversation with the young man.
Say him come, mommy, him coming. Him
yes,
say him coming.
I understand. I don't even get up, child.
Good Good evening,
Good evening,
mommy. Good evening, Chan.
Good evening, babe.
What's up?
I'm here. So she says she want to talk to you for me to all over again.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You could have been my son. I realized that something going with my daughter from when. Something going with me too. Because as a mother, I'm not really ready to give up my youth. You understand? Me one seed to a gentleman. Right?
Right.
Which means, say, me overprotective over my youth, which me have a right to be because I'm a concerned, caring parent, right? So me tell my daughter, say me want to meet you one more time because me only meet you one time. And me not get to know your personality or know anything about your background or anything about you. You know, young people want to have a go on and on my business. But Shan concerning to me as my daughter. And me know our education is very serious to her. We take that very serious too. But our best interest is at heart with me as a mother.
I understand, mommy.
Good. So me tell her say I want to talk to you this evening because I really want to get to know a little bit more about you, sorry. What I really want to ask you, as a grown man, because now you're a man, because you have my daughter in your arms, and you go responsible for my daughter when time come, right?
Right.
Good. So I want to find out from you. In a future, so I want to know what kind of future plans you have for my daughter.
Alright, so basically, me is a busy person. And you say you want to talk to me, and I left my business party just to come fix things here. So I really love your daughter. And I really want things to work out between your daughter. But as I say, me is a business person. My father have a car rental. And I grow big now and I come and I take that now. And we have other business. You have car wash, you have restaurant, and a lot more. So the future plan I have for Shan now, because my mother and my father kind of go up in an age. So I would want a partner there with me, a business partner.
Oh, weird.
So I would want to have Shan there where me and her can run the business together and percentage. If she okay with that. Because as I say, if Shan now further our college thing, I would like to support her towards that. And as I know she can get a better education, I would do the fear, stand up for your responsibility and everything. So that's the real future plan of my heart.
Okay. Because I say I want to talk to you one final time.
Mommy,
you
I
understand?
see it in my best person for me. Which boy I go give me so much opportunity?
Which
The rest of
boy?
them just want to use me.
Which
And me
boy?
don't see Puppy Dan as my boyfriend. Me see him as my husband.
Okay, so what if I don't want if you can work with him and help him build film business?
Mommy,
Eh?
get a grip on yourself. Talk to
I
me.
don't feel like you're the right person for you.
Mommy, what you mean?
Like seriously, mommy?
You not go choose see me?
Hold on, beg you a minute. Mommy, you know, so really and truly, what you need to understand as a big woman, you need to understand that Shan is 20 years old.
Yeah?
Shan is a big woman who can make decisions.
Mm-hmm.
You can't constantly try to make decisions for Shan. Shan reached the age of make decisions.
Exactly.
For herself. So Shan must make the decision and know if I'm the right person or if I'm not the right
Mommy,
person.
make him hurt me and bust me and chop
So
me in the
well,
head.
you feel say you made a weapon to come over here and tell me that? When you hurt my pitney and left him gone, and me go and come back too.
Shan,
With his heart
disrespect.
broken.
I love you. But, mommy, it's really and truly, you can't just stay and try and make decision for Shan. Shan, your mother can't make decision for the rest of your life. You have to make a decision them. The last time when I come down here, I travel from way a town just to come down here for see Shan. Much time I come down here doing it just to see her. And the last time I come down here on her birthday, I book her in the most expensive hotel, Rio. Shan is not a vanity girl, a frightened over expensive stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And the last time I come here, I meet a small accident. She want me to go up, and she want me tired, I drop asleep on the steering, and I lick up in one light post. One little minor accident. And my mother said to me, say, if me love Shan so much, why me not just buy a place down here for me and her? And that me having planned for do, because I don't want to get her from you.
That's what you say. On a rich pitney where born with gold spoon and now no more.
Mommy, you know say you do too much now. You do too much now. B, where you go?
But later, me I'll leave
No,
this
B, you can't do that.
Shan, me
You
I'll
see
leave
where your
this place.
cars now? See there, you happy. Yeah, B, where you go? See there, you happy. In gone, you happy.
Gone, we run behind him, galang.
B, no, wait, no.
Hold on there. Are you Puppy Dan?
Shan father.
Yes, so mommy, you say you gotta go to school and you look like a true boy.
Go yourself, man.
But now you're Shan husband, fiance,
Well.
future husband.
To be honest, not anymore, you know. I tell you more.
What you say to me, boy?
A while ago, I just come from over Fear Yard, Shan Yard, your
My wife
girlfriend
yard.
your wife yard. And I get a bad news. I drive all the way from town, come down here.
Jesus Christ.
Shan say her mother want to talk to me.
Somebody crash?
No man. Shan say her mother want to talk to me. I come here now feel like a something nice car. So one time she meet me.
Yes.
So she said she would
Come
want
here,
to see
so
me
when you
again.
want meet you back again.
If everything okay. Now me come here, she'll tell me say I'm not the one for Shan. I want use Shan and flavor her out and then left her. Because she asked me say what the future plan I want to have with Shan. I tell her some other give Shan my business. Because my father have a car wash, a restaurant, a car rental.
Hold on there, man. You want to give Shan your business?
Yeah, me and her mother want to have a business partner. So
You
know,
got a
say
good school, you know.
percent.
But me
yeah.
no feel say you're smart. Tell them a boy nowadays not give no man in business.
So now that me I try to show you. Same time Shan would have a car because as me say my father have a car rental and I know one vehicle have my father and mother go up na 8 so me take over all of the business.
When me
them
want
now.
to get understand. How long you and Shan a chat for?
2 years now, so
Who
3.
no come from far? Who no come from full? A full no come from you know?
Boy,
Eh?
our mother say
So
can't
if you
work
want
him.
use Shan, you want use him long time and throw him and pick him up and use him again. And Shan a one bright girl and you one bright
No
boy. You know?
disrespect, you know. But to be honest, me feel like you have more sense than your wife, and I don't know disrespect. Because you are talk better things to me than your wife. Because your wife have to understand, say, Shan is not a
Listen me
little
boy,
girl.
hold on. You cannot talk to my wife so still, you know, but
No, me not
between
talk
and
now,
you,
yeah, man.
My wife have sense, but you know, really use them. But anyhow, when me want to know, what the wife say? What him say?
So we can have a relationship. So me just tell Shan, say, Shan, I love you, but you have to
What
just
love?
make your
What
mother-
love? Hold on, pan love. When you not go to school, don't you drunk then tell you say you not go. How much subject you have?
Well,
100?
we get, no, 8.
8.
8.
But they will tell you say you not get 8 subject, you get it down.
Right,
People in tell you say you and Shan not go make you not go 2 years down.
right.
So if your mother, if your mother tell you say him, you are not the one, you are going to use that and left Shan. Let me tell you something. His mother want controlling data. You want to tell him when to shit and when to piss and when to talk. You tell him, so this is saying, okay, you don't want him turning back, give me. But anyhow,
True,
you want to tell him when to shit and when to piss. You love Shan, not true.
true.
Me see it, say you love
really
me, no
love
boy.
Shan. Me love Shan with
You know,
all of
Shan.
my heart.
Shan, you getting him fool, you know.
Me know,
Anytime
I
you call
know.
your phone, you turn idiot. But anyhow, let me tell you something now. Just like how you love Shan, don't give up on Shan. Me I go over there go talk to my woman. My wife, my apology. Stay right, so no give up on Shan. No make
No,
me.
me not give up on her. Me just tell her, so me just a come out of yard. Because my mother say me and her can't work. So me just tell her, so me a come out of yard.
Alright.
So me just there, so you know.
No move
me not
friends,
give up on her.
No give up
Because me
on
love
Shan.
her.
No make me, Jesus, Satan, his mother. No make nobody tell her about. I look to and love no other. My woman in kind of wicked sometimes, but I good man. No move from your side.
No man, me there.
Don't
man.
move.
Me there, me.
Who you love?
Me love Shan.
Who you love?
Shan.
Don't move. Alright, good. Oi! Oi! Come here, man. Want you?
Daddy, me tired, mommy,
Come,
me
come
tired.
talk to me. Want you? Listen me. Listen me. What your mother say? What your mother say?
He run puppy down out tired and talk about puppy down on the right man for me and make puppy gone.
Alright. Listen. Me just see the young man down there. So I want you to look like you and you love you. Listen what me I say right now. In down there, high vehicle down there, so. Cause I explain and I tell me everything. You understand?
Daddy, mommy did disrespectful and tell the boy about to come out and yard and
Jesus Christ. Me just apologize to the youth. But when me want to tell you say right now, me tell him say if you no move, because me tell him say me I can talk to you. So when me want you to do, please don't make me, your mother, and nobody tap your dream. You love Puppy Dan, go on to Puppy Dan. You understand what me I say? No make nobody tap your dream. Not me or your mother. Your mother wrong. Your mother want control your life. I don't care me talk to him and try to buy me out. Just because he know me love him. You understand? So just go and go talk to Puppet and apologize. You understand? Tell you what, me no warm to my wife, you know. You don't realize saying that a big woman, you can't run a daughter life. Eh? Father God, man. Go talk to him.
B,
Shan, what really are going? Me need to understand what going because
my father just walking in here and my father said me no fi make nobody stop me, love, and me never did go make nobody stop me.
I understand what you say, Shan, but me left all the way from town. Your mother said she want to talk to me. Me feel like it's something good. We feel like we have a good time.
Mad. The woman mad. Don't look for mommy, look for me and you.
Shan, but when me want you to
not
understand,
go- you're
how
not-
old are you?
Me at 20, B.
you need to make your mother get that
Alright.
in her head.
You not go play for me they come with you.
Shan, me no want nothing mash up me here, and I really love you, you know. You know
B,
how far me I come
no,
from.
No, mash up me and you. You know, she say woman sick like a woman did a dream and
But
you
me
know
just want your mother to understand say she can't make a decision for
you
you.
know,
Have to
she
choose.
not go get it, so me I go make the move with you. Cause she not go get it. And you me love, and me love she too, but she can't live for me and me can't live for she.
Alright, babe. Anything you do, make me okay with it. Anything you say, Allah.
Me I go for me things.
Alright, go on and come back. If I that you do, me willing for make. But me just don't want to know for me you left you so and your mother avoid you for yourself. Me no want that.
Me no
But any
business.
decision you make, me there with you, baby, because I love you. So just do it, do.
B, mommy never get certain things that me I get now, you know. So she not go see it, you know. And I bet say if me elevate now and me married, you go hear, oh, my daughter, when she did that, discourage me.
Just do it, baby. Me I wait for you. Just get where you get. Me there I wait for you. Because I really don't want this come out of place. Because I really love her. Seriously.
Wagwan. You know, see me in the no good terms for other day, but me just see me come over here and check you. What happened?
You know, because right now, earlier since evening, me and Shan had a half. Because to me, they in love with them one another. So, Shan person come, me just say me want to see him, forget. If you know him a little bit more, because I one time I did meet him, yes.
Oh.
I one time I did just meet him, know his name and so, I don't really know nothing about him and his background, you understand?
I'm glad you come around.
So I say me want to get to know him. But then the conversation get intense and me tell Shan say, me not think I best somebody for him. And the young man begs and left and Shan chase her for him gone.
But you're wrong. Chelsea, you're wrong. How you have to do that? If you see one say she said Shan love Puppy and Puppy love Shan, what the hell you tell Shan say the boy enough for him for?
Never tell him say boy enough for him.
You say man I best fit.
Good for him.
What do you mean by no good for him?
It take time to know people, Alia. You can't just meet
But
somebody
you're
2
not
and 3 times and feel like say, okay, they are right for you. It take time to know people. People pretend. Sometimes it take time to get to know the true you. You understand? Me ask the young man what kind of future plan he have. What kind of plans he have for my daughter. And he could give me one good explanation. He might tell me about business where man and family them have from around the world. 180 days around the world. And me feel like he might just use me pitney. He want somebody to put to work, left a yard as wife, and they pan with a gallivant with girl. That's so me feel.
Jesus, please. You know, say I want to hear that. When Chelsea, may I say this to you, and all the thing I go say to you and them left your place. Let go your daughter, give your daughter some space. That's how me I say to you, give your daughter some space. A big woman and a pitney again.
No, but you come over here to counsel me or you come over
I
here
no
to talk
counsel,
to
me
me.
come for counseling,
After
Chelsea.
me pitney around my life.
If a man look upon you and tell you, say, them want to take care of your daughter, and you are going to say you want to leave in my yard for your wife and go get
You never can tell. You know why young man have a
Me done talking with you. Hear me going to my yard.
Yeah,
Give
go on there with the big back self. Go
Give your
on.
daughter some space, man. You're too disgusting.
Yes, left me yard. Go on to your
What's
yard.
going on? Why you run your sister like that? I'm a matter of fact. I want to talk to you. This is the last finally talk me about talk to you. You always tell me say, when me say stepdaughter or daughter-in-law, you tell me say my daughter. And me consider him like my daughter. Now this I get from bad to worse. Oh, you think one guest come out yard? Your daughter boyfriend with them a do over 2-3 years and you go tell you say yo, him and you want him in your family. I know so you grow your daughter. You can't treat somebody like that. The little girl in love. How much time your people and tell us if you left me? Come here, mechanic come in and go away and I pay all care. You ain't listen to them? No, answer me now, my wife. You ain't listen to your people them see me and hear ya. Till Sean come in at the picture. You want people say me fi avoid you? Cause Sean father run off and gone. I'm there with you and you're there with me. So learn to appreciate your daughter, my wife. Listen to me. Sean, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, daddy, me want to talk to you. Mommy, I want to talk to you, you know.
Mommy, your daughter want to talk to you.
Mommy, me respect you, but me can't make you live for me. Me feel like say this is my choice of living. You live your choice, you live your life and you make your choices. Look how much people distract daddy from you and daddy still there with your mommy. You can't distract me from somebody who you don't know. I mean know the person. I know you know the person. And me I go school with him 2 years now.
Okay.
Listen, just listen what your daughter said.
So,
I feel time to talk now.
mommy, me just see like me pass the age of consent more and passy. Me at 20, me and a teen again. So mommy, me I tell you say me I go live with Puppy Dan. Daddy, me I go live with Puppy Dan.
Come here, my daughter. Come here. You want to live with Puppy Dan?
Yes, Daddy.
You sure that I try to say you want me?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright. Just call me.
Yeah. And
Okay,
mommy,
reach over
me
time.
love you. If when me call you don't want take me call him, I saw you go. But I
Well?
eat this.
Happy dance. Lord God, look what me call down for myself. Me pitney and move out of my house and put man over me, you know. Move out of my house. I can't believe
No
that me
wife?
call down this for myself.
She nah put no man over here now. All of this are for your fault. All of this are for your fault. Jesus Christ, man. Hush, I for your fault, but hush. You guys have made it to the end of this movie. She is not a child anymore. Thank you all for watching Wrld TV. I'm gonna big up on fans. You understand? Big up Miss Bev from New York, Bronx. You understand? Big up the whole New Rules Entertainment. You understand? Big up all our fans. Them are always a supportive team. Always a tell a friend about Wrld TV and the rest of channel them. Color and book. We have to say father. So here we are going. We are big up. We place them because we have to place them so we now get big up. So we want to big up Red Young. Big up Nicky just out across the man in whole family. Big up our Lucy side. Our Black Godfather TPM. Big Joe, Dan. Big up yourself. Big up Whitehall.
Whole of Grangel. Savlamar. Mobie. Kingston.
All our place.
St. Thomas. All our fans.
Everybody one time, but big up all our fans.
Whole 14.
Wrld TV. And if you Wrld TV, you are Paranto TV. Rum.